boys and girls, what we have here, we're working on equivalent fractions. And you can look at this picture and see how many pieces in this first circle do we have total, not shaded, but total pieces. We have 4. Now, I want you to notice that's the bottom number. The bottom number always tells us how many pieces. Now, so if for this second wheel, and that bottom number is called a what?
Denominator.
Denominator, good. So what's the denominator for this circle? Does anybody know? Say 8? Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 pieces. Now, so there's 8 pieces. Now, so what's my denominator going to be for this one? 8. That's right. So we know that. Now, in order to figure out the equivalent to this, or how many pieces I actually need to shade in, what I can do is say, what did I do to the 4 to get 8?
You shaded in half.
Okay, but I've shaded in half of this, and I could easily shade in the half of this, and we'll see that that's an equivalent fraction. But I want to show you more than that. Say we didn't have these shapes up here, and we just had the fraction. 4 divided by something or times something gives me 8. What is it? 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. And whatever we do to the bottom of this, we have to do the top. Remember that? Because what we're trying to do is keep the value the same, and we're multiplying it by different fractions of 1. Okay? So 2 times 2 is 4. And let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those pieces. That's how we do equivalent fractions. Okay? So let me do one more like this. How about this one? We'll take a circle. And these are not perfect, but how many pieces do I have there?
3.
Okay, we take this one. How many do I have there?
6.
Okay, 6. Again, these are not great. Now, let's say that my fraction for this first one is 1/3. How many pieces total are there in this one?
3.
There's 3, and that's my denominator. How many pieces am I going to shade in?
1.
I'm going to shade in 1 of those, okay? So I do that. This one's it's not really hard, but it's a little harder. How many pieces do I have total on this circle?
6.
6. We've already said that. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? Now, say I don't know what I did to get 6. I would say, okay, 3 times what gives me 6? 2. Put a 2 there, and I've got to put it up there. 1 times 2 is 2. So that's telling me to shade in 2 pieces. And you see how those are the same? Okay. Let's do one more, and I want to do one that where we've been multiplying to figure it out, but I want to do one where we divide. So let's say here, I'm going to try to draw a circle a little better. I was looking to see if I had any shapes. Yeah, right here. This will work. Alright. So watch how good I draw this circle. Isn't that good? I'm going to draw another one, because... Alright.
Dr. Anderson, how do you know to draw a person?
I'm just that good.
Magic.
Okay, so this one I'm going to divide. I'm gonna try to draw some really good lines too.
Yeah, let's draw some. Wow. That's just amazing. It's amazing.
Okay.
Wow. You're a little off beat there, but wow.
I know. All right. So say, how many pieces do I have on this first circle?
8.
8. Okay? And I'm going to shade in. Okay, that's right. I'm shading in 2 pieces. Who can tell me, by looking at this, what's my numerator, the top number, going to be? 2. Okay. Now, over here, I don't have anything shaded. I don't have any numbers. How do I figure out what an equivalent? An equivalent means equal fraction. What do I know my denominator is going to be on the second one?
4.
It's going to be 4. Okay? Who can tell me how you knew that it was 4? Yes.
Because the line you count
The pieces.
the piece.
Okay, and you get 4. Now, how do I change my 8? How do I change my 8 to a 4? That's right. I am dividing, not 32. I divide by what? 2 to get 4. And I don't divide there. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So how many pieces am I going to shade in here? Just 1. And you can tell they're the same. That's equivalent fractions, guys.